Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. We're just going to jump right into this video. So this is the Outre Melted Hairline Kamilia wig, and I got it in the color number 1. You guys, I'm in love with this wig, okay? So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the pack. It is already a pre-made or pre-parted side part, which I absolutely love. The hairline is very full. This hair is very thick, so this is what the lace is looking like. It is a Swiss lace, I believe. This is the construction, 2 combs in the front. 1 comb in the back, an adjustable band, and of course 1 comb at the top. So this is what the lace looks like. You guys, this lace was so nice. I was too excited, okay? So now I'm just going to go ahead and put on my wig cap. So I did not melt my cap this time. I'm actually liking the method of not melting the cap, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and put my foundation all over the cap so I can make sure it's tinted into my color. So once I finish applying my foundation all over my cap, I went ahead and started applying it all over the lace and the inside and on the outside. That is definitely key. Once I got done applying that foundation, I just took my Eben spray adhesive and I just sprayed it on the inside on top of that foundation just so it wouldn't move. I just learned that trick off of YouTube. Okay, so now we're just going to be placing the wig, just seeing it where I want it before I glue it down. I definitely highly recommend this stage. Always see where you want your wig before you glue it down. And I was so in love with this lace, you guys. It looks like scalp. Alright, so before I glued it down, I'm just going ahead and cut the lace off. I learned this new trick on YouTube watching a hairstylist. She said that if you cut the lace off prior to gluing it, it'll help you stretch the lace as much as possible. And that will give it that flat look in the front. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm just taking my razor instead of scissors this time, y'all be proud. Taking my razor and I'm just going to be clipping off all the excess length. Okay, so originally I was not going to glue this unit down, but this unit is a little bit big, you guys, so I must warn you. So I did have to glue it down because I was going to a concert and I did not want it to slide off. So I went ahead and used my Even adhesive and did my 3 layers, of course. Same old, nothing new, child. And just doing that across my hairline and making sure it gets sticky. And then that's when I will be applying the wig. Okay, so when applying the wigs, you have to make sure that the adhesive is sticky, not runny or dry, but just make sure that it's sticky. That way it will hold onto the wig much, much better. So once you got that wig applied, I'm just going to be taking my comb, of course, and just going around the edges just to make sure that it's flat. I had noticed some excess lace that I need to cut off, so I'm going ahead and go do that now. Once I had cut off all the excess lace, I went ahead and took my wig band and just wrapped it around the front so I can make sure that it's completely melted. And while that is setting in, I'm going to be styling the hair. So I just went in and defined my part just a little bit more. And I went in and did some plucking, of course. Alright, so of course you don't skip this step. You gotta get your wax stick, of course, and you're just gonna be laying the top down. So unfortunately, I do not have a hot comb because it's been burning everything. So I had to throw it away. So I'm just gonna be taking my flat iron and say you have to improvise. Taking my flat iron and just going over the top, making sure that it's completely flat. And then my wax stick is I think it's called Wax Queen. I got it from my local beauty supply store, so it's nothing too fancy. Once I got the top flattened, I'm just going in with my brush and just combing out some of these curls because the curls were super tight. And I wanted something of a loose curl, so I just went in and combed some of them out, of course, and then I just recurled it with my brush. And then I decided that the bang was just a little bit too long for my liking, so I went ahead and took my scissors, of course, and just cut that in some layers. So once I finished cutting it, I went in and took my brush and just kind of tried to curl it. I did go back in with my flat iron and added a little curl to it, but you guys, this hair came out so amazing. So once I got it styled and the lace was done melting, I went in. I was contemplating forever, guys, about doing baby hairs, okay? Because y'all know I am not that good, but I honestly did pretty good with this wig this time. I went in and sectioned off a parts of my baby hairs that I wanted to leave out. And I went in and did some plucking, of course, and then, of course, you know, cut it off. Yeah, I was plucking the hell out of this wig out of the front because Alright, so once I finished cutting the edges, I went ahead and took my Eben adhesive spray and my edge brush. And I just went ahead and started styling my baby hairs. Adhesive is the best method because I am a beginner. I cannot use the phone, so this was the best method for me. So this is what the finished product looks like. I'm about to go do my makeup and I'm gonna come back and show y'all. But it is so cute and I did so good on my edges this time. Y'all definitely go purchase this wig. Melted hairline, Outre, whoever, please send me wigs, okay? Let me be y'all's ambassador because I'm gonna put the girlies on. Y'all already know I love synthetic wigs. Quick, easy, on the go, super affordable. And honey, you can't tell me this ain't Brazilian. Honey. Alright, I'm gonna do my makeup. I'll be right back. This is the final look. So I got, can you see my skirt? Yeah, no, go back a little bit. Alright, ladies, this is how the final product came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to come and join the gang. And I'll see you guys in the next video.